There is this new niche going viral on social media featuring house construction videos with a time-lapse effect. And these videos are going viral at this moment. Even small channels that just started are also doing well in this niche. This YouTube channel has got this much views by only 46 videos uploaded. And the crazy part is there is very less competition in this niche as well. And also these videos can be made using AI completely with free tools as well. So in this video, I will show you the full process of how you can create these videos easily, and I will give you a repeatable workflow which will help you to make these types of videos again and again completely free. All right, first I'm opening GPT. You can use any other like DeepSeek, Claude, or Gemini. Now you have opened the GPT, so now you need the prompt document, which is in the description, which is also completely for free. Open that doc and you will get all the prompts which I'm going to use there. First, copy the first prompt, and then go to GPT, and then paste the prompt there and hit enter. This prompt will help you to get the names of a lot of architectural structures, like you can see. Now you can choose any architectural structure from it, and this will make the foundation of your full video, as we will construct this in our video. For me, I am choosing Courtyard Apartment Complex because I like these types of construction videos. You can choose any one which you like. Okay. So now we have to first build the full image of the apartment, and then we have to move forward. To do this, I also have a prompt in my Google Doc. Copy the prompt, then paste it into GPT, and add the one you chose from the architectural construction you chose earlier in it, and hit enter. This prompt will give you amazing and professional prompt to create amazing houses, apartments, buildings. Now we have the professional prompt for it. We just have to make it an image. Copy the prompt, and then go to Nano Banana. Fast, lets you generate a lot of images in one go. And if you don't want to use this for image generation, you can use Rev, Whisk, Leonardo, or Ideogram for it. All of them are freemium and give you enough credits to make 10 to 15 images easily. So now paste the prompt in Nano Banana, and it will give you a professional image of the full apartment. Download the image of the beautiful apartment. Now you have the professional image of the amazing apartment in your hands. So it's time for the next step, which is done by only one master prompt and this image you have. Now add the image of apartment there and go to the Google Doc again and copy the master prompt and then paste that into GPT and hit enter and see the magic happening. What this prompt does is it acts like your assistant and helps you make full professional prompts for your video to be fully completed. For every scene, this prompt will give a first frame and last frame, so you will have two images, and also the animation prompt, which will help you to make the time-lapse video. Now we have all the prompts we need, but still the work hasn't been done, so we have to move forward. Now paste these prompts one by one, scene by scene. First, we will extract all the images we need, and then after that, we will go for animation. So, for the images, we will go on Nano Banana again, which helped us to make the full apartment. Now we will copy the first frame prompt, and then paste that prompt there, and hit enter. After some time, the new image will be created with a little more thing done. Now copy the last frame prompt for first scene, and also paste it into Nano Banana alongside with the previous image of the apartment. And again, hit enter. After some time, you will have the second image as well. So you need these two images for one scene to be completed. I told you earlier that you can do this in Rave as well, so I will show you how to make this in that as well. Copy the last image and paste it into Reeve. Now copy the first frame prompt of the second scene and paste it into Reeve and hit enter. And after some time, you can see the amazing results of Reeve as well. Here you go. You can see these both amazing images. Now you have to make all these images copying the exact same thing which we did for the earlier images to be built. Now when you have all the images, it's time for animating those images into a time-lapse sequence. So for this, we will use Google Flow. Go to Google and type Google Flow. There, click on this Create New Project. And then you will land on the interface that looks like this. Don't worry, I will guide you through this. Click on Create Images, and then switch it to Frames to Video Model. This will help us to animate the images, as we already created the first frame and the last frame, and we also have the animation prompt in hand. Don't think now you have all the things. The real thing where people actually mess up comes now. Now first upload the scene 1 first frame image and crop it according to the aspect ratio for which you are making the video. And now upload the second image. Means the scene 1 last frame. So after this, first image will be your first frame, and last will be the second one, and Flow will help us to go from the first one to the second one. Now go to the GPT, which gave you image prompts, and copy the first animation prompt, and then go back again to Flow and paste the animation prompt there, and hit enter. After some time, Google Flow will give you amazing results, in which construction site is being built gradually. So now our first scene is ready. Go ahead and download the first scene, which is completely ready. Now things get complex from here. Now you have two choices. You go for this sequence and make the full video and make some changes in editing process, or do other thing to make the rhythm going. Now listen to this. I recommend going with second option, which is use the last frame of the previous scene as the first frame and any one of the images of second scene as the last frame. It will help you to continue the rhythm going on. Meaning your second clip will start at the point where your first clip was completed. Here's how you do it. First, I use the last frame of the first scene as the first frame of the second scene. And then I added the last frame of the second scene. And then the second image animation prompt and hit enter. And after that, you will get the result like that. One last time I'm telling you. You have to use the last frame of the previous scene as your first frame for the new scene. If I'm creating scene 2, I will use scene 1 last frame as my first frame. And if I am creating scene 3, I will use scene 2 last frame as first frame of scene 3. And for the last frame, I will be using the last frame of that scene, like scene 2 last frame for scene 2, or scene 3 last frame for scene 3. No rocket science. That's it. Now create all of the videos like this. After you have all the videos, go into CapCut or any other video editing software. Import all the videos out there. Import them in the sequence. If you like, add captions using CapCut and then export it. And that's how you will have the best full video of construction time-lapse. Like and subscribe for more videos about YouTube automation.